Hello.
So we just started watching Blues.
The third movie in the Jagat Multiverse, and wow, this is more up our speed apparently. Because how do I know he's in the frame right now?
Yeah, it's the vibes, man.
Yeah,
The story, in terms of continuity, right?
Yeah.
It does a lot better than even Jagat, where they have that scene, in the car where the license is nowadays, but it was supposed to be the 90s. This one is consistently 2010 and everywhere.
maybe there's some errors there. Maybe like I don't know when these Four Fingers came here to Malaysia. Yeah, I don't know.
Like I can't review the last movie because I feel like it's always about the delivery. In terms of concept, right? Machai is way better than Blues. It's a really cool concept. In fact, I will say it's a better concept than Jagat. But I'm
Yeah.
all about delivery. And
Yeah.
because of delivery, I think Jagat is still the best. But Blues is more about the vibes. And the thing about Blues is that it's just an endless stream of cool shots. All the shots are cool.
And it's also reflective of the character is trying to break into the industry, right? Yeah.
Barely any repeat locations, which is
Yeah.
interesting. You just keep following along with the characters. Like there's no going back. You just go to new locations after location after location. Like very few repeat locations. I think it fits the movie because it's supposed to be like him, basically what Malaysians would call healing, right?
Yeah.
He's going through the blues, and it's a. My problem with the movie is not that the execution is perfect, but my problem is it is conceptually speaking is already mundane. And then what you see in this is what you've seen 1,000 times before. It's just that this is Sanjay Perumal's version.
Yes.
So it feels like one of those movies. You just I want to watch a movie, and I wish this will be eventually released on Netflix or something, because I think this is the second or third watch. It's a vibe.
Yeah,
vibing movie.
because I think there's a lot more to pick up in this movie, and all around just the feel of it is more inviting.
The movie is also like jumping around different timeline, but it is very easy to follow.
Yeah.
I like that about it. Just that if anything, I was like, all of it is cliche, but it's a good delivery of a cliche, and
Yes.
to me that's way better than a cool concept like Machai delivered. Like many bad things that I mentioned about Jagat, right? The one in the car. It's gonna be a string of me saying all of those nitpicky stuff about Machai if I ever review that. So I would rather say stuff about this movie than that. This gets a solid 8 out of 10 for me.
Yeah, I would give this 8.8 out of 10. Yeah. Probably the second best after Jagat in the multiverse.
Yeah, I have to agree with that.
Yeah. Go watch it when you can, if you can, or however you can. Yeah. Peace out.